Hey, welcome everyone. Today in this video I will bringing you my hands-on look and the first impressions of the new entry-level phone Samsung Galaxy A03. Today I am going to be breaking down the package contents and then I will give its quick review. So for that, let's dive into the video. First, let's do an unboxing and see how it performs. On top, model number printed, and the box is quite thick and it seems like Samsung didn't ditch the charging brick, and that's really good news for the Samsung fans. On bottom, few specifications printed like 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. Now let's open this wrapper. Now let's open the box, and on top there is an envelope with the branding of the Samsung. Let's open this envelope, and there is only few paperwork in it, no silicone cover or screen protector. And next here we have the device itself, on which few features printed like Infinity V display, dual camera and the battery. Let's take this phone out of its wrapper. So here is the phone's back, and it's looking really nice, no doubt in it. But the design is still little bit old. Let's see what we have more in the box. There is micro USB cable for the power adapter, so it's not type C cable. Next we have power adapter, which is providing 7.8 watt charging, so no fast charging for a 5000 mAh battery phone. And next, SIM tool, so there is no hand-free with this phone. Let's see the phone again and first talk about the design. There is line type texture on back, and I bought it in blue color, which gives a jeans pant type feeling. What do you say about it? On back there is complete plastic with the branding of the Samsung and the dual camera with flash. And on the bottom there is a speaker, micro USB port, mic and the headphone jack. Top has another mic, and the right side has volume rockers and the power key, while the left side has SIM tray which can hold dual SIM along with external storage. And on front there is 6.5 inch 720p PLS LCD with 270 pixel per density. In this budget, I think no complaint for the display. Display is really better with good colors and the brightness. The bezels and the chin are fine also. What's your opinion about the display? Please let me know in the comments below. And we can watch YouTube videos up to 1080p on this phone. 2K and 4K are not available. And the Guru inside is Unisac T606, which is octa-core and built on the 12nm process. Not bad in this budget. I played Subway Surfers on it without any issues. Multitasking is also fine, but not the good. And I saw heat issues on this phone while taking the photos and recording videos. After some time, camera application didn't allow me to record video due to heat issues. So I saw this and I thought to share with you. Soon I will do its complete gaming and the performance review. And if I talk about camera, there is 48 megapixel main camera with 2 megapixel depth sensor. But let's look at the samples instead of being trapped by numbers. In samples, I saw mostly colors are washed off and overexposure. But what I can complain in this budget? But I can say you have the camera if you need in case to take any photos. I can recommend this phone to you if your focus is not camera. And here are the videos. Phone can record videos in 720 and 1080p. But video quality is in front of you. There is no any kind of video stabilization. Quality is really disappointing. Here are the selfies. You are the judge for the selfies. Colors are a little bit better, but I'm not impressed with the details. Portrait mode also available in the selfies. So this was the unboxing and the quick review of the Galaxy A03. If you found this video helpful, then please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Peace for all.